Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting direct access to the chrome. Either remove the wheel or position the car so you can work safely. Rinse the rim to lift loose dirt, then scrub brake dust with a soft brush. That prevents scratching during polishing. Once done, wipe the surface with rubbing alcohol so polish bonds properly. Make sure to use a clay bar over stubborn contaminants. This flattens the surface so your polish can actually create shine instead of highlighting pits and grit. Now you tackle the middle work. Clay bar the entire lip and face with plenty of lubricant to remove bonded contaminants. This prevents micro-scratching. Next, apply a nickel-sized amount of chrome polish to a pad or microfiber and work one section at a time. You should use light to medium pressure and move in overlapping passes. If you have a dual-action polisher, set it to a low speed. This method abrades and levels micro-scratches so reflective chrome returns. Inspect often to avoid overworking thin plating. Finish by removing all polish residue with a clean microfiber and inspect for pitting or corrosion. You want to seal the restored shine. Apply a chrome-specific sealant or wax in thin coats, curing between passes so water beads and contaminants slide off. If you still see heavy pitting or flaking plating, don't keep polishing aggressively. This wastes finish. Instead, consider professional replating or use a metal polish sparingly as a temporary fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.